everyone! Optimizing images for WordPress can do wonders for your website. It gives you fast loading times, enhanced user experience, and apart all, better SEO. And who doesn't want a better performing website? So in this video, I'll show you how you can optimize images on your WordPress site. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo, and let's get started. When an image is optimized properly, the same image can be up to 80% smaller than the original without losing in quality. Now this is very useful for faster website speed, improved SEO rankings, higher overall conversion rate for sales and leads, less storage and bandwidth, which can reduce hosting and CDN costs, faster website backups, which can reduce the cost of backup storage. Well, to ensure that your full-width images look good across any device, big or small, the recommended size is 2400 into 1600 pixels. There are two things that play a very major role in image optimization. First is image file format. Well, there are image file formats that really matter, that is JPEG, PNG. Now, what is the difference between these? Well, JPEGs are for photos or images with lots of colors. PNGs are for simple images or when you need transparent images. Well, there is a drawback in PNG format images that they take up more storage space than JPEGs. Thus, they are mostly used for web graphics, logos, charts, and illustrations, rather than high-quality photographs. Well, choosing the right file type plays an important role in image optimization. And the next we have is image dimension. Normally when you import a photo from your phone or a digital camera, it has a very high resolution and large file dimensions. This might be perfect for printing a picture, but when it comes to uploading in a website, it can affect the smooth functioning of the site. Thus, reducing the image dimensions to something more reasonable can significantly decrease the image file size. Well, now let's move ahead to the process of image optimization. For that, I'll be covering two ways. First is optimizing images before uploading them to WordPress, and second is optimizing images after uploading it to WordPress. Well, if you want to directly jump to the second method, click on the timestamp mentioned in the description. Now let's start with the first method, that is optimizing images before uploading it to WordPress. For this, I'll be using a free online website, iLoveIMG. For that, first go to website iLoveIMG.com. Once you land on its homepage, you can see various features available like compress image, resize image, crop image, convert image, and photo editor. The best part about this website is that it is for free. Let me first show you how you can compress the images. Go to compress image option from the top, upload the image. Now here you can even upload multiple images and compress all at once. Next, select compress images. Once it's compressed, it is automatically downloaded. If it is not downloaded automatically, you can click download compressed image. This page also shows you the size and the percent it has been compressed to. Similarly, to resize an image, go to resize option from top, select your images, make the changes from the resize option. You can choose resize options by pixels and by percentage as well. Once done, click resize images and download. Similarly, you can crop, convert the images, and even edit your photos with the help of this website. Well, there are few more websites to optimize an image like JPEG Optimizer. Well, JPEG Optimizer is one of the first solutions to check out if all you need is to compress JPEG images. Next we have is Kraken. Well, Kraken gives you a choice of compression modes. One is lossless, that is zero drop in quality, and second is lossy, a small drop in quality but cuts down image file size by almost 90%. Next on the list we have TinyPNG. Well, a trusted tool, TinyPNG handles compression of both JPEG and PNG image formats with ease, letting you bulk upload up to 20 images in one go. Each file size can reach 5 MB. For larger size, you'll have to be a paying customer. Next on the list we have Optimizilla. If you choose Optimizilla, you can upload up to 20 images. The tool adds each image to the queue and compresses it automatically through lossy optimization. And fifth on the list, we have a compressor.io. If you're looking at high levels of compression that can save you hundreds of KB, take a close look at compressor.io. It can reduce file sizes to close to 90%. It compresses JPEG and PNG images without loss of pixels and lossy compression for other file types. However, the file size cannot exceed 10 MB. Next, let's see how you can optimize images after uploading it to WordPress. For this, I'll be using a plugin called reSmush.it. reSmush.it plugin is a great plugin if you are looking to optimize all the images on WordPress automatically for free. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search reSmush.it, install, and then activate. Once activated, go to WordPress dashboard, media, reSmush.it. Here it shows how many images are not optimized currently. You can optimize all the images by clicking Optimize All Pictures. Before that, set the image quality you want. Let's make it 60. Ensure to select the Optimize on Uphold, enable statistics, and also do not preserve backups so that your storage space is maintained. Once done, click Save Changes and then select Optimize All Images. However, if you do not want to optimize all images, you can go to Media, Library, and optimize the images you want from the Optimize option here in front of each image. The next plugin you can use is Autoptimize. To do that, just install by going to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search the plugin, install, and activate. Once activated, go to its settings page, select the Images tab, and then activate the Optimize Images option. And that's all. Well, there are a few important points you need to ensure. First, to prevent your images from being over-optimized, set the image optimization quality to lossless. Second, if you want to serve your images as WebP, you must go to ShortPixel. And the third is, if you want to serve your images as AVIF, you need to enable the option Load AVIF in supported browsers. Well, you can also take a look at few other popular image optimization plugins like EWWW Image Optimizer. Well, oversized images can make your website look quite slow. But with the help of EWWW Image Optimize plugin, you can make your site faster, improve your bounce rate, and boost your SEO. With easy I/O, images are automatically compressed, scaled to fit the page and device size, lazy loaded, and converted to the next generation WebP format. Now, these features will definitely bring back your customers to the site. Second on the list, we have ShortPixel Image Optimizer. Well, ShortPixel is an easy-to-use, lightweight, install and forget about it image optimization plugin that can compress all your past images and PDF documents with a single click. New images are automatically resized, rescaled, and optimized on the fly in the background itself. It's also compatible with any gallery, slider, or e-commerce plugin. Third on the list, we have TinyPNG. You can make your website faster by optimizing your JPEG, PNG, and WebP images with this plugin. This plugin automatically optimizes all your images by integrating with the popular image compression services TinyJPG and TinyPNG. It is also WooCommerce and WPML compatible. Fourth on the list, we have Optimole. Well, Optimole completes all image optimizations automatically. It's also powered by CDN, so your images won't load slowly. You can also track the image optimization by receiving very specific details on which images got optimized and how much space is saved. And fifth on the list, we have Imagify. Well, Imagify is the most advanced image optimization plugin to help you resize and compress the images. Imagify is an image compression plugin for WordPress that has the settings module broken down into general settings, optimization, and display options, with only one page to manage the settings. Well, the plugin lets you optimize images in one go with its bulk optimization option. And that was it. This is how you can optimize images on your WordPress site in 2 different methods. Let us know in the comment section if this video was useful to you. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.